Hey, it's Lou Peck here from the International Bunch with top hints and tips to improve your academic marketing impact. Thank you so much for joining us today for the latest instalment in this series. We'll be talking about the top hints and tips for Reddit. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to be talking about Reddit today. Now make sure that you subscribe to this channel to receive updates when we post new and exciting content, and also do add any comments in the areas below and you will find more interesting information. So let's talk about Reddit. Now, in our series of videos on academic marketing hints and tips, we've talked about how to optimize your use of the commonly used social media platforms and online platforms as a marketer. What we're going to talk about today is Reddit. Now, you might think Reddit is a niche online media platform that doesn't require your time and effort. Well, you'd be wrong. Reddit is a thriving community and an incredibly useful when used properly. If you're looking for new ways to connect with academics through your social media activity, then this is the video for you. Don't forget, after you have watched this, you can go back and view some of the other videos in the series which help marketers in the scholarly communications area to improve academic marketing impact. Some of the opportunities from Reddit for marketers are establishing deep connections with new audiences, driving website traffic, generating interest in new products, testing ideas, products and services. But firstly, let's look at some stats on Reddit. Now, as of May 2020, Reddit was the 20th most visited site in the world, just below Amazon, Wikipedia and Zoom, according to Alexa's database of top sites on the web. There are 430 million monthly active users, according to Reddit's 2020 statistics, which is more than Snapchat and Twitter. 40 million searches are made on Reddit each day, and 64% of Reddit users are of the 18 to 24 age group. This is a platform mostly used by the US and UK audiences, who make up about 61% of all users. Now let's look at what this video will be covering. We're going to be looking at what are the basics, so what tools are available, one key thing that you need to know about Reddit. We're going to look at how about academic marketers, how you can use Reddit as a tool for panel discussion, why Reddit is a great source for community research, are there any other opportunities with Reddit, and then top recommendations for using Reddit. Okay, so let's talk about the basics, what we can do with it and what are the tools inside. Now, first off, what is Reddit? The creators of Reddit say that it's a platform for creating communities. Now, these communities are places for people to share content about the things they are interested in, ranging across every possible topic you can think of. It's been overlooked by marketers in favour of the big four: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and LinkedIn, and soon TikTok. But the potential is vast because of the niche communities operating in it called subreddits. Now, whereas LinkedIn and Facebook promote groups as part of what they do and part of the user experience, the content that comes as subreddits is core to everything Reddit users see on the site. So, what is a subreddit? A subreddit is a specific online community and the posts in it. Subreddits are dedicated to a particular topic of interest, and they're denoted by a /r/ followed by the subreddit name. So, for example, gaming. These communities are as specific as you can ever wish for, and this plays as an advantage to marketers. Now, aside from funny subreddits, such as one that combines potato salad and the actor John Cena, potato salad, there are valuable opportunities for you to connect with editors or authors in your academic discipline. If you're new to Reddit, getting an account is really simple. All you need is a unique username and a password. Okay, so a good place to start might be the academic publishing subreddit, which is home to 1.4 thousand members. Content from the community includes questions about the academic publication process, best practice tips, advice and suggestions for authors to improve the writing process, calls for articles, industry news and trends. Well, we'll leave some other useful communities for you to start with on Reddit in the description below. What are the basics around posting on Reddit? Let's cover that. Users can create posts which include images, videos, links and polls with the standard text, formatting tools like bold, italics, inline, code and bullet points. Other users in the community then upvote or downvote these posts based on how interesting and relevant they are. The posts with the greatest number of upvotes rise to the top of the community. What do you need to know about Reddit? Reddit is an online media platform that puts authentic and valuable discussion before content, and you can use it to really connect with scholarly audiences to meet your marketing goals. What is really crucial with the way you use Reddit is that you use it as a community member first and foremost. It has been said that Reddit communities can smell a marketer from a mile off. Redditors have no time for comments that offer them no value, and this puts scholarly marketers at an advantage as they work with an audience who are already time poor and need the right information quickly. So many of these skills will already have been honed. I mentioned authentic discussion a moment ago, but what does authenticity on Reddit actually mean? Aspiring to the same goals of the Reddit communities you join, having the same passions, supporting other members by liking and commenting, adding value by sharing and posting. There's no escaping authenticity on Reddit. Reddit Metis will generate stats on that user's recent activity within the site. If you're only logging on to promote your business and aren't engaging with the community, you'll very easily be found out. Participate and become an active member first before you start to think about using it for promoting. This will work in your favour, allowing you to leverage the possibilities. How can academic marketers use Reddit as a tool for panel discussion? Well, this is a really interesting one. So for editors who want to connect with the wider academic community or even host a panel discussion, hosting an Ask Me Anything thread as one option, AMA. There are a range of potential outcomes from an Ask Me Anything session, such as enhancing the profile of the publication, recruiting new authors, generating interest around upcoming new issues or volume, and even identifying cross-disciplinary research opportunities. Just join the subreddit called Ask Me Anything. It's that simple, and post to get the thread going. Key things to remember: start the AMA at the time when much of your audience is likely to be online. Decide on whether you will answer questions live or take questions beforehand and then answer them during the AMA. Make proper plans about how you will answer any difficult questions. Promote it beforehand on your email and online channels and through your various networks. If you have a prestigious editor for your publication who can answer questions quickly and in an engaging way, you could have a great opportunity to broaden your network and also build trust within the journal's way of operating and its editorial team. And that's a really important thing to do. And why Reddit is a good source for community research? Reddit can be great as a source for community research, and there are 3 ways you can do this. So the first is to go to the subreddits which talk about your theme and organize the content by top, so you can see what is engaging the audience the most. You will gain an insight into what the audience really cares about, and then also see how they feel about it in the comments. I mean, what great insights. The second is to search any keyword or phrase from Reddit's homepage, and you'll be given a list of communities, users, and posts which match that specific term. I mean, that's super handy, right? And the third is to go to the homepage of Reddit. Type in a site's name, for example, like you could type in the International Bunch, and you'll see if there have been any mentions of the site, so internationalbunch.com, or if any of your products or services have been mentioned. There are also other opportunities that you can do with Reddit as well, and that you can take advantage of. You can create a subreddit specifically for your company. We recently did a webinar on tools that can help you improve your productivity, and one of those tools that we mentioned was Asana. Now, Asana have their own subreddit that you can find. The community uses the group to conduct product research, to provide customer services and answer users' questions about how to use the service. It also builds consumer trust and is actively in the discussions around their product. Now, this is pretty useful stuff for marketers and for those in product, and it can be the type of information that is often difficult to get without incentivizing people or doing lots of research, but subreddits have become a great place to get advocates together to better inform your marketing. Be aware, you might also get negative comments, so you need a strategy to moderate and respond, just like we do on social media and online media channels. Top recommendations for using Reddit. The first one is the rules of participating in each subreddit are different. So read the rules in the right-hand side bar of the page to understand the guidelines around being a member of that subreddit. Think of it as obeying the rules someone might have if you were a guest in their home, say, for example. You'd want to respect them so you aren't thrown out. And the same applies here. So pretty simple stuff. The second one is be an active contributor. And we know that this is really important. Use the questions other users post in the community and answer them with the intention of adding value to the conversation. Only when the opportunity comes up can you promote your own content. Do it when it is right. Don't take advantage. The third one is reverse engineer content to make sure it is worth upvoting. Now look at the posts which get the most upvotes. What type of content are they creating? Look at the images, the links, and the topics of content that are being shared, and plan how you can replicate this to create content that really connects and really resonates with your audience. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope that you managed to take some really good hints and tips home with you about Reddit. Visit some of the subreddits in the description to get started, and let us know if you have any comments or queries. And also, if you're looking for us to cover content in this video series, just give us a shout, even if you reach out to us directly. Make sure you subscribe to receive updates on new content that we add to this channel. Thanks so much, and bye for now.